Welding transformer. A welding transformer is a crucial piece of equipment used in arc welding to convert electrical energy into a form suitable for welding applications. It operates by transforming high voltage, low current electricity into low voltage, high current electricity. The basic function of a welding transformer is to reduce the voltage and increase the current to a level that is ideal for creating and sustaining an electric arc. This arc melts the metal at the welding point, allowing it to fuse together. Welding transformers are specifically used in AC, alternating current, welding systems. They are known for their simplicity, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, making them a popular choice for many welding jobs. The transformer consists mainly of two windings, the primary winding connected to the power source, and the secondary winding which delivers the high current required for welding. The core of the transformer is made of laminated steel to minimize energy losses. One of the advantages of using a welding transformer is its durability. With fewer moving parts and solid construction, it can last for years with minimal maintenance. Welding transformers come in various types. The most common are step-down transformers, which reduce the voltage significantly to achieve the desired arc conditions. Some welding transformers feature adjustable current settings, allowing the welder to control the heat of the arc. This is especially useful when working with different metals or thicknesses. Despite their benefits, welding transformers are generally limited to AC output. This can be a disadvantage in some applications where DC, direct current, is preferred for smoother and more stable arcs. They are often heavier and bulkier than newer inverter-based welding machines. This makes them less portable and harder to use in confined or elevated spaces. However, for stationary welding setups or workshops, welding transformers are still widely used. They provide a dependable and economical solution for routine welding tasks. In terms of safety, welding transformers are equipped with insulation and thermal protection to prevent overheating and electrical hazards. Proper grounding and ventilation are important during use. Welding transformers are commonly used in industries like construction, metal fabrication, shipbuilding, and automotive repair, where reliable and continuous welding operations are required. To conclude, the welding transformer remains a fundamental tool in traditional welding. While modern alternatives exist, its robust design and consistent performance ensure its relevance in many applications today.